Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-Center521 Bluetooth Thermometer Datalogger. The Center521 supports K, J, E, T, and RS types of thermocouple probes and has an extra large LCD that displays temperature readings from all 4 ports simultaneously. The meter features include the ability to log up to 32,000 temperature data points, temperature alarm function, min, max, average and hold functions, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. The Bluetooth function allows users to monitor real-time information wirelessly and wirelessly transfer previously logged data to computers and mobiles. In the box, there's a case with a foam molded insert, the Bluetooth adapter, a USB cable, 2 K-type temperature probes, these measure from -40 to 250 degrees Celsius, 4 AAA batteries, the software CD, some paperwork including the Center521 instruction manual, calibration certificate, and instructions for the Bluetooth adapter, and last of all, the Center521. This features the extra large multi-level LCD, 9 buttons, these are the power button, the backlight button, the data hold and up selection button, the min, max, average button and the left selection button, the Celsius, Fahrenheit selector and right selection button, data record and down selector key, the recall saved readings button, the memory and enter button, and last of all, the set key for entering setup mode. Above the LCD is a label for the thermocouple input channels. This corresponds to the channels on the top of the unit. The USB interface is located on the side of the unit. And lastly, on the back is the battery compartment, a stand, and the Bluetooth adapter compartment. For more information on the Center512, including a video demonstrating how to set up and connect the unit to Bluetooth, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.